creating a meeting is just as easy as creating an event with a one little tiny wrinkle to it. So if I want to create a meeting on tomorrow's, I'll say this is a meeting. And instead of just starting to type, I'll start typing the word meeting with the hashtag, and then I'll remove the event. And the reason I do that is that the meeting is actually predetermined. The name is predetermined based on certain parameters here. Let's say I have John Smith as a friend. He's going to show up in the meeting name. Let's say I have, as a meeting type, this is going to be a Zoom call, but you can change those options as much as you want. That's going to show up there. Let's say we discussed our project about rebuilding the outer shed. That's going to be included right there. So it's very simple to make those meetings and build them that way. They'll show up in the agenda like others. It's also really easy to take notes, more notes. And then important note, if I take an important note and I'm like, this is one that is worth tagging, I'll tag meeting note, and doing so automatically connects it to the associated meeting and the project. So if I go to this project now and I look at my project dashboard and I look at my notes, you'll see that note is there and that's surfaced right there. Very, very simple. Same thing if I say, work on shed, terrible action item, but if I have an action item, same thing will happen. The action item will have the correct associated meeting and work discussed, which means that action item will show up in the project dashboard as a scheduled task. Down here, I didn't actually put the task on the calendar yet, but I can. And that just, it's a task like any other. It will show up in my agenda now on the 26th because I have it appropriately assigned in that way. Okay, so it's very easy to take these action items, very easy to solve all of that. And now if you want to generate a meeting summary and you have an OpenAI AI key set up, when you're done, there's a little button up here and it will send it over there and it will generate the summary.